Cooking the traditional festive feast can seem like an intimidating task. Luckily, we've pulled together some handy tips that will help make preparing and cooking the Christmas meal a piece of cake. 1. Enlist some vegetable peelers. With so much to do, if you're the head chef, you'll probably want to avoid getting tied up scrubbing and peeling potatoes, parsnips or carrots. If you can, rope in some children to take on the task. As well as taking the strain off you, they are more likely to want to eat veggies that they've prepared themselves. Cunning. 2. Keep on top of the washing up. Try and keep the veggie peelers on as kitchen porters. If there are helpers to wash up as you work, it will give you more valuable surface space. You can even think about bribing the kids with a bit of pocket money or chocolate. 3. Take the cheese out of the fridge in advance. If you're having a cheese course, don't forget to take it out of the fridge earlier in the day so it can reach room temperature. Clearing room in the fridge means more space for champagne, of course. 4. For roasties, get the oil nice and hot. Roast potatoes are an essential part of Christmas dinner. And no one wants a soggy spud. Dusting them in semolina or flour will help to add a bit of crunch, but the real key is to get the oil in the tray as hot as possible before tipping in the tatties. Try using goose fat for a richer flavor. 5. Try roasting your sprouts. Brussels that are roasted taste completely different to those that are boiled, steamed or microwaved. Roasting them caramelizes the natural sugars that are found in the veg, resulting in a much sweeter sprout. And smaller sprouts are sweeter still. Try roasting them with some chestnuts and bacon, and don't be afraid to let them get brown and crispy round the edges. 6. Don't score your sprouts. If you are going to go ahead and boil the blighters, there's no need to score a cross in the bottom, it just makes them more waterlogged. Keep your eye on the timer and don't go over 8 minutes to retain some bite in your Brussels. 7. To keep it moist, cook the turkey upside down. Popping the turkey breast side down for the first hour or so of roasting means the bird essentially bastes itself. And if you can manage to turn it a few times throughout the cooking process, it will encourage the juices to stay inside. 8. Or try using a butter muslin. Many people baste the bird with melted butter as it cooks, top it with streaky bacon or wrap it in foil, but a butter muslin is great for keeping the meat moist. Just soak the material in melted butter, season the turkey, and drape the muslin over the bird.